Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect chocolate chip cookies. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients, ensuring everything is ready to go. Using both brown and granulated sugar is key for that ideal balance of chewiness and crispness. Don't forget to select good quality chocolate chips. They truly make a difference. And remember, room temperature butter is crucial for a smooth, well-combined dough. Next, we'll cream together the softened butter with both types of sugar until the mixture is wonderfully light and fluffy. Then, beat in your eggs, one at a time, making sure each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Slowly add your dry ingredients, mixing only until everything is just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough cookies, so be gentle here. Now for a crucial step, chilling your cookie dough. For the absolute best flavor and texture, chill the dough for at least 24 hours. This allows the flavors to meld and the dough to firm up, preventing spreading. Once chilled, use a cookie scoop to create uniform portions, ensuring even baking. Place these scoops onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Finally, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake your cookies for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the centers are still slightly soft. Let them cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. This helps them set up perfectly. Enjoy your delicious homemade chocolate chip cookies.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.